Okay, we had one of our cousins ask us to do a Flappy Bird demonstration. So here's how you do your Flappy Bird. Okay, fold over first into a triangle, then cross that other triangle into a smaller triangle. So it's like a smaller triangle. And now you have to kind of like open them up. Okay, so you take the two triangles, you open them up, fold them down into what we call a kite formation. It looks like a little box, but now it's kind of in a box formation now. Okay, but now you take the bottom end, okay? You take the bottom end of it and kind of fold it in, to the center line like that. This is the open end. You're gonna be folding into the center line. Okay, and you're gonna be making now a more tight, a skinnier kite, so to speak. You're gonna be turning it in like that. So now the next step that really it's helpful, but it's not necessary, is you fold the top down. That kind of gives you a little bit of a guide as to what to do next. Then you open up the two flaps and you open it backwards. Okay, so you open it up and flatten it out. Open it up and flatten it out. Open it up, flatten it out, flatten it out. Then you turn it over and you do the other side. You open it up and guess what? Flatten it out. Open it up and flatten it out. Okay, so you guessed correctly. Now, what you're going to do from there, after everything's all kind of like in this nice tall diamond shape, is you fold the two sides that you just opened up together. Open the two sides together so that now it looks like, I don't know what it looks like, a big pair of scissors or something. Now you're making your wing already. This part is your wing. You're going to bend it up the side, one side, bend it up. Kind of lead it halfway out. Oh, I'm sorry. I apologize. That's not the wing. That's the head part. Okay. The wings are already still up. Now you do the tail side. Bring that up. And you crease that down just a little bit. So you notice that the body has a little bit of an angle on the bottom. A little bit of an angle. Now you can make the head. And don't push it all the way in because, I know birds have that ability to push their head all the way in. But when it comes to Flappy Birds, it kind of helps to have a head instead of no head, because then it would be just a snake. Okay, so now it has heads. You flap down the wings and you grab the tail and hold the body part under the head and you pull gently on the tail section, which makes it flat. There you go. Very much happy birthday to anybody that's having a birthday, and that's it. Okay. Have a flappy day. Bye-bye.